Now make a list using the table.
A packet of candles. A bunch of books. Sorry, 2 books. A bunch of grapes. A packet of pencils. Can't I say 5 pencils?
Of course you can. You can say both.
Kilograms of sugar?
No, Nikhil. It can only be a kilogram of sugar. You use kilograms when you talk of more than 1 kilogram.
Okay, 2 kilograms of sugar. Kilograms of oil. Can't we say 2 liters of oil?
Sure, you can say that too. Let's try the next set.
Five kilograms of salt. A bunch of flowers. Two kilograms of butter. 5 kilograms of flour. 5 meters of cloth. 2 meters of ribbon.
5 kilograms of rice.
2 sacks of rice.
Yes, both are correct. You can add to the list by combining words appropriately from the 4 columns. Use the table on page 23 and see how many you can make.